city lights are glowing, snow is falling down. Families gather close as winter wraps the town. But out there on the highway, miles from anywhere, there's someone keeping Christmas moving everywhere. Through the long nights, through the cold, you carry more than we ever know. You're driving the holidays home, through the storms and the nights alone. Every mile, every road you roam, you keep the world connected. So here's our love, our gratitude show. Yeah, you're driving the holidays home. From morning's early engine to late night shifting gears, you're pushing through the traffic, through the worries, through the years. Your sacrifice is something most will never see. But everything we celebrate, you help it come to be. Through the hard days, through the strain, you give your heart again and again. You're driving the holidays home, through the storms and the nights alone. Every mile, every road you roam, you keep the world connected. So here's our love, our gratitude shown. Yeah, you're driving the holidays home. And while we're opening presents by the firelight, you're out there making sure the world still feels alright. We hope you find a moment of peace tonight, 'cause you're driving the holidays home. You're the heartbeat on the open road. Every gift, every joy we know, you made the moment happen. So may the new year bless your soul and keep you safe wherever you go. Yeah, yeah, you're driving the holidays home. Yeah, you're driving the holidays home.